Hey guys, so we received this Share Sunshine retractable car charger for test and try. It's a 4-in-1 fast charger, car phone, and is a 100 watt. So retractable cables with 2.6 feet each or for iPhone and Type-C. So cigarette lighter adapter for iPhone, and then it goes into the car directly. So let me just open. So it's actually a combo of two. One is the adapter and the other is a high quality data cable or the cable. So here it is, and you can see this is a USB A with a very like really thick cable. I have not seen a thick cable like this before with the car adapters like this. So really nice thick cable, metal adapters, and then this have a micro USB, Lightning, and the USB-C. So you can also use this cable with USB, and then you can see like all the green light up. So this is a light indicator as well. And then you can charge the simultaneous device. So that's a good thing that you can see like this is my iPhone with the lightning cable, it's charging and the blue indicator. And then also use a USB-C for on the mobile. So basically, you can charge different devices, lightning cable, micro USB, and a USB-C with one cable. And you can use this cable with this adapter, and also use this adapter, separately for this inbuilt cable rotation thing that you can adjust, and then you can put in here. So you can put this USB here. So you have a USB with this three cable, inbuilt cable, so very nice adapter.